सडनली तुका कोण सांगता फाल्यां साकून येनाका, सो तुमी चिंतात तांचेर कसलो प्रसंग आयलो तो. इमिजिएटली म्हाका तेणी कॉल केलो, सगळीं मेळपाक आयलीं आनी सांगलें म्हाका अशें अशें जालां म्हणून. जेन्ना ती सुप्रिटेंडंटा कडेन गेली तेन्ना तांकां सुप्रिटेंडंटान सांगलें की दीस आर द ऑर्डर्स आय हॅव रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द एडिशनल कलेक्टर एंड द कलेक्टर दॅट इज नीला मोहन. जेन्ना ती नीला मोहना कडेन गेली तेन्ना तांकां सांगलें खंय यू ऑल मे डिसकंटिन्यू, नीड नॉट कम फ्रॉम टुमोरो. म्हाका इतलेंच विचारपाक जाय, हेंचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट काबार जालो जाल्यार तुमी रिन्यू करपाक जाय आशिल्लो. तुमी आतां रिन्यू करतलीं पूण कोणाक पार्शिलिटी करपाक, खंयच्या पक्षाच्या लोकांक घेवपा खातीर तुमी हांकां हेंच्या पोटार आयिल्ले आसा. आयज हो जो पर्रीकर आयज USA आसा, आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर, पर्रीकरान एसेंब्लीत सांगिल्लें 2017 एसेंब्लीनात सांगिल्लें जुलय म्हयन्यांत एसेंब्लीत सांगिल्लें आमचो CM आसा पर्रीकरान की हांकां हे जे लोक आसा तांकां आमी परतून हांचे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट रिन्यू करतले म्हणून. ही इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर हू इज होल्डिंग द पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल आनी बींग अनवेल ही इज गेटिंग ट्रिटेड देर इन द USA. पूण आयज 3 मेंबर्स कमिटी तेणें केल्ली आसा. आपूण गोंयांत ना, CM गोंयांत ना म्हूण 3 जाणांक न्ही तेणें मेंबर कमिटी केल्ली आसा. एक आमचो MGPचो, दुसरो म्हणटा तो BJPचो जो आयज पोर्चुगल गेल्लो आसा. आयज पळयात स्थिती, गोंयांत CM ना, एक बरें आसा, डेप्युटी CM ना, आयज हांगा आयल्यार कलेक्टर ना. हें कितें चल्लां? हांव मागता की 3 जाणांक जाणा तेणें मेंबर कमिटी केल्या, BJP, MGP आनी गोवा फॉरवर्ड, तांकां आयज इमिजिएटली पर्रीकरान जशें पावर मिनिस्टराक काल मडकयकाराक फोन करून सांगलें की पणजे काडकान दवरनाकात, 1 वर मायज लायट वचपा शिरी पडना, तशें वी डिमांड पर्रीकर जी टू प्लीज कॉल अप दीस 3 members whom we have deputed as chief ministers, those are proxy chief ministers of Goa today. तांकां मातशें सांगचें की इन्स्ट्रक्शन ताणें दिवचें की हांची कामां जी आसा ते टर्मिनेट करची न्ही. ह्यो ज्यो 36 वर्कर्स LDC वर्कर्स आसात तांची कामां टर्मिनेट करचें न्ही, तांकां कंटिन्यू करपाक दिवचें. एट द
आमकां ओरल इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलां तुम्ही डिसकंटिन्यू करचें म्हणून आनी तुमची सॅलरी अप टू 31 मे क्लियर जातली म्हणून. बट आमकां रिटर्न इंटिमेशन कोणें दिवं नाका. सो वी आर इन द डार्क. सो वी वूड लायक टू आस्क the collector would be the first person to approach since she is the head of the department and she always signs on the order that is issued to us at every time. So she would be the first person that we'd approach to ask about any of our grievances. That's all I've got to say.
For how many years you're working?
I've been here for nearly 4 years now.
The rest of others?
Yeah, there's some staff who have completed 5 years.
Who do it?
And I'm from Collectorate North. Actually, since December, we are working without salary. And now, suddenly, yesterday, sir told us to discontinue. So, we don't know now what to do.
ऑफिसासून आमकां असो न्यूज मेळ्ळा की तुमी डिसकंटिन्यू करचे, तुमी सर्वीस कंटिन्यू करची न्हू. आनी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आमकां मास्टर रोल जो आसा पळय तेचेर आमकां एलाव करूंक ना. तेचेर सरांनी आमकां सायन मारपाक. आमचें एकच ध्येय आसा की गेली 4.5 ते 5 वर्सां आमचे म्हाजी फ्रेंड जे काम जे करता पळय तें आमी पोट तिडकीन मन लावन करता काम. आमकां खंयसर तरी एक अशी आशा आसा की आमकां खंयसर तरी सेवेन कायम करचें म्हणून. गेली कित्येक डिपार्टमेंटां अशी आसात की कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टमाचेर आसात पण तेंचेर असो अत्याचार केलो गेलो ना. आमकां काल जेन्ना कळ्ळें सडनली की तुमकां डिसकंटिन्यू करता, आमच्या काळजाक बरो मोठो धक्को बसलो आनी आमी सगळ्यांनी डिसिजन घेतलें की आमी सगळे एकठांय जातली आनी आमी न्याय मागतलो म्हणून. आमची जी मॅडम जी आसा आनी आमचे जे सर आसात पळय ते तेंच्या कडेन आमी रिक्वेस्ट करता की बेगींतल्या बेगीन तेंच्यांनी आमची जी मागणी आसा ती पूर्ण करची आनी आमकां न्याय दिवचो. थँक्यू. फूल आमी टोटल कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस आसा.
हे आमच्या गोंयच्या बायलांचेर अचानक एक संकट येयल्लें आसा आनी तें म्हणल्यार आमचे प्रेजिडेंटान सांगलें आसा. म्हाका फक्त इतलेंच सांगपाचें आसा की ह्या आमच्या बायलांचेर जो अत्याचार जाल्लो आसा तो तांकां न्याय मेळ्ळे पर्यंत महिला काँग्रेस तेंच्या फाटल्यान रावतली आनी जे हे BJP सरकारान जे कितें केल्लें आसा तें एकदम वायट आसा आनी हांकां जस्टीस मेळसर ह्या लोकां बरोबर ह्या आमच्या वर्कर्सां बरोबर आमी रावतली आनी तांकां न्याय मेळ्ळे पर्यंत आमी तांकां तेंको दितली आनी हे जे कितें केल्लें आसा तेजेर आमी महिला काँग्रेस निशेध करता.
Beena Naik, Mahila Congress. I would like to ask the concerned person, that is the collector, that why is it that these women were terminated? Just because they are women? Just because you think that they are feeble, they are weak, and that's why they have been terminated? There are there are 26 women who have been terminated. 10 men are there. There are 2 people in this among these who are above 45, and there is one lady who is a widow who is above 45. She is a widow looking after her 2 children. Where will she go at the age of 45? Where will she go? Is the government going to give her a job after 40? No. After 45? No. Her full family will be on the roads. So they have approached because they are Mahilas. They know that we Congress Mahilas are their strength, and that's why they have come here. Now what we want is that apart from the policy, because Chief Minister, we heard one of our MLA from Kurturi, Mr. Reginald Bab, he had taken up this issue of contract basis in the assembly during the last session, not the last session which was for 3 days, but before that. And he said, and the Chief Minister at that time promised, and he said in the office, he said in the assembly that a new policy will be drafted for the contract basis people. Now I would like to ask the government, when apart from the policy, are they going to frame the recruitment rules for the people, those who are on contract basis? There are no rules, those who are on contract basis. Second thing, will there be a white paper of those people, for those people who have been appointed on contract basis? If there is a white paper, then there will be a transparency. How many of them are appointed and how many of them are not appointed on contract basis? Were these people given an appointment letter when they were appointed on contract basis? No, they were not. Just few months back, 6 months back, they were given that your services are being extended for 6 months. Discontinued, when they are discontinued, when they are terminated, or we can say when they are being removed, no letter has been issued to them. It's through verbally they were being told that you are not supposed to come on duty from tomorrow. Now just tell me one thing, for last 5 years these people are working and they have not been regularized. They have just kept on contract basis. Where are they going to go now? Who is going to give them a job? And when just now when I was standing there along with them, one person on the road, a gentleman told me, all these people are very good LDCs. And when they are so efficient, why are they trying to remove them? Why they cannot regularize their jobs? So I request the government, I request the Chief Minister who is in the United States, we wish him a speedy recovery. He should come back, and or he should send a word, as normally he has been doing, to his all 3 people whom he has appointed here. Though legally, constitutionally, we do not accept it, but still, through them, he should pass an order and continue and regularize all these 36 people.